Hi there. Today, our topic is about Inventory Management System, Part 2. We have a dialogue between Collins, warehouse staff, and Roy, warehouse manager. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation.
Roy, this is the inventory adjustment report for this month end for your signature and record.
Colin, I have checked the system that this inventory adjustment has been passed already.
Yes, this is a routine, so we have done it in the system already. We have this practice before you are on board.
Okay, let's discuss on this later. I have seen on the report regarding variances per product. The variances are quite big. One day cycle count could be 1,000 plus more, and another day could be 1,000 plus less.
Well, we shall look at the net variances. You can see on the final report, the net variances for that product is minimal. There shouldn't be any concern.
Okay, even for big negative variances, there is no explanation.
Yes, big negative variances this month will normally be offsetted by positive variances next month. If not offset, then we shall explain in the next report.
Colin, there are some conceptual things that we need to work hard on this. The practices here are different from my experiences.
Really love to hear.
Roy has a lot of concerns over the inventory count process. Colin has been following old practices before Roy joined the company. Colin claimed that there are no issues if the net variances are small after consolidation. Consequently, no investigation nor explanation are required. Also, the warehouse team has adjusted the balance before approval is sought from the warehouse manager, according to the approval matrix. The report sent to warehouse manager is just for reporting purpose. If there are big variances up and big variances down in consecutive days are identified, we already need an investigation on this, though net variance was small. The reasons should be stated on the reports, and what are the areas for improvement. Other than quantities, for those inventory with higher costs, close monitoring should be performed. Any variances should be investigated. In addition, all variances identified and consolidated at month end are not confirmed until the warehouse manager has reviewed and approved. Without such authority, balances in the system should not be adjusted by anyone. To recap, here are the key controls. A threshold should be set in terms of quantities and value. For any variances exceeding this threshold, investigation should be made, and reasons for such variances should be stated on the report for review by warehouse manager. No adjustments in the system should be made without proper authorization. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Next episode is about policies and procedures, Part 2. Please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.